Good morning, everyone. I'm Sammy Fung. Welcome to PyCon Hong Kong 2024. Today, I would like to tell you about the story of PyCon Hong Kong. It is also a story of passions. I was a tech company founder, and I have been using Python for 20 years. Looking back on my 28 years of volunteering in the open source community, I realized that my passion for contributing to open source comes from a calling to serve the open community. In 2013, while preparing for the first Hong Kong Open Source Conference, I also attend PyCon HK in Tokyo, and I sat in a sessions for PyCon organizers in the APAC region. During a round of self-introduction, I noticed that many APAC cities host their local PyCons, but no PyCons were being held in Hong Kong. So I proposed to the volunteers in the local community to host PyCon Hong Kong 2015. As the founder and volunteer for both conferences, I spent more than half a year preparing for each one. For some people, it may seem like my role as a conference organizer for both PyCon Hong Kong and Hong Kong Open Source Conference is my primary paid job. But in reality, it is unpaid. I have always had a big plans for the Python community. When I plan for each Python conference in Hong Kong, I refer to the process of PyCon US and PyCon APAC to sustain and improve the Python community. Typically, PyCon is a pay-to-attend conference to cover the minimum cost. Unfortunately, we sometimes have to cut costs from our budget, but we have also had better outcomes that allow me to propose donating part of the conference profits back to the Python Software Foundations. We have co-conducted to create a comfortable, positive, and safe environment for everyone to join the Python community. In the last 9 years of PyCon Hong Kong, in addition to one-way presentations like keynotes and talks in multiple chat format, we also have interactive activities for the Python community. Participants can follow step-by-step guidance in workshops to get started with Python applications. We also run several development sprints where participants can meet with Python contributors and easily get involved in Python open source projects. We host several education chats to invite educators and students from around the globe. And don't forget that we have hallway discussions, sponsor booths, and community booths. At night, we have wonderful PyCon parties. And for overseas visitors, we offer sightseeing tours. Hong Kong has been an international city for the last 50 years, which also makes PyCon Hong Kong conference particularly special, attracting more than 20 overseas visitors each year out of 200 participants, which is 10% of our attendees. We also have 20% of participants from the financial industry, including major investment banks. Therefore, I have proposed choice to the local team to submit proposals to host PyCon APAC in Hong Kong over the past 10 years. And I always host these teams come true now. In the last 2 years, I start my next journey to solve the next challenge that will benefit society and people. We will continue to fight for and support open community for everyone, both tech and non-tech people. Certainly, I'm always a Pythoner and will keep my contributions to Python and open source community. I hope you can see the passions in the community and find your own passions to give back. If you are interested, I am happy to talk with you and share more in the near future. I hope all of you attending PyCon this year enjoy the conference and have a good networking experience with others today. Thank you for watching this 5 minutes keynote.